Gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Why might it be important to fully complete the discussion questions that you are assigned for homework? Jean-Paul. Share your ideas. Dorita.
It was important because it helps you understand what parts you really don't understand, and if you can put it into your own idea, you might understand it better.
Great. Kendra. To ask questions while you read. That is one of your reading strategies to become more effective as a reader. Last but definitely not least, Jeffrey. Try to help others out. Good. Shahid. What's up? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you have successfully completed the do now, but Nija wants to give you a lasting comment. Yes.
I say it might be important to complete the questions because it could open other people's imagination if they don't understand it, and it can help other people. It can help other people see your understanding of it, and if you don't understand it, can help them help you.
Okay. This is a two-part do now. In order to earn credit for this, everyone has to fully participate. If you don't, you do not earn.
Why?
You'll see why. You want to grab all of your personal belongings, and it is your job to get in a line from here to here, January to December, and organize yourself by date of birth. One catch. You cannot speak to anyone.
Oh, I did that.
You have to be quiet out there. You have to be quiet out there. So don't do that.
Grab all your stuff.
Please.
Excuse me, there's a lot of talking for people doing this silently. I see Taisha using a strategy right now, because I don't know if this is correct, but I see Taisha using a strategy. She was like, that's a good strategy. You can't talk, so maybe the first thing you want to do is show the person next to you the month, and then the day. You have to organize by month and day. You have 1 minute. See where you fit in. See where you fit in. That's August. See where you fit in. She's August. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Looks like we have accomplished it. Let's see how we did. What's your date of birth? Month and day. January 1st. Woo! February 24th? March 24th? April 2nd? Speak up, guys. Don't be shy. April 14th?
26. May 14.
July 21st. August 2nd.
That was excellent. You did that in about under 2 minutes. What did you notice? Yeah. What did you notice? Yeah. Teamwork. Teamwork. You're also going to notice that this is a line and there's a specific purpose why we do what we do. These 4 people are going to go right here. Take all your personal belongings and go right here. These 4 people are going to go right here. Make sure you have all your personal belongings and you're right there. Ibrahim to Dylan, you're going to be right there, right at the table you're sitting on. Nija to Ali, you're going to be right here. And last but not least, you'll be over here. Now, if you look at the first learning objective for today, you're going to notice that it says, students will review the expectations of the Socratic seminar, considering the grading rubric in particular. Can anyone paraphrase that for me? Break it down. What do you think I mean? Someone want to break it down? What do you think?
So what, wait, can I take a guess?
Yeah, take a guess.
So look at the Socratic seminar questions, but think about
How you're going to be
the
graded. Dorita, what are you going to say?
I was gonna say, same thing she said.
Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen. All of the activities for today are going to be timed, which means we need to use the same thing we used in organizing ourselves in a line. What do we use? Teamwork, time management, efficiency. These are all characteristics that will make you successful not only in this class, but in school and in life. It's like you knew what I was going to say. Took the words right out of my mouth. Stop. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your homework to review the grading rubric, but we're going to review it one more time because we need to all be on the same page, literally and figuratively. Number one, we're going to record a check for each time your partner contributed in a meaningful way. I'm going to be circling the room and making sure that your contributions are meaningful. What you're saying has a purpose. It's either asking a question or answering the question, trying to help someone rather than hinder them. You're going to be responsible for grading everyone in your group when we conduct the Socratic seminar. And let me give you the heads up. You can lie to me, but you cannot lie to yourself. If you give someone a 5, an A, when you know they deserve a U, it's going to reflect on your grade. So you need to be honest. With that, number 2, on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest, how well did your partner do at the following? Analysis and reasoning. Did your partner, for instance, really analyze the question? Did your partner or partners cite reasons or evidence from Fahrenheit 451 to support their topic? To support their text? To support their ideas. Did they demonstrate that they had given thoughtful consideration to the topic? Did they really think it through? Was it well thought out? Or did they just sort of say, oh, I'm just going to answer this because it's something we have to do for class, and I'm just going to go through the motions and not really think about it? Did the person provide relevant and insightful comments? Did the person demonstrate organized thinking? Did the person move the discussion to a deeper level? All of these you will be graded on. From me and from your peers. You're grading one another while I'm grading you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the same skill you used in the do now activity, to organize it yourself by date of birth, you're going to use in your group. These are your assigned seats. Just so you know, these are your assigned seats for our class.
For the year?
For the rest of the year.